What's up YouTube, this is VC17 and I come with a review of the deluxe, oh no, it actually doesn't say deluxe, but the engine blade. That's the main weapon of Kamen Axel. So first of all, let's look at the parts. You see the engine belt here, the engine blade. No, engine belt is engine blade, whatever. A picture of Axel and a picture of Axel with the toy. Same picture here. I have a picture of half the head of Axel and the memory. And another picture of the toy. Same picture here on the back. To use it, how to insert the memory. That is come with lights and sounds. Yeah. The three modes which you use it, which is steam, engine, electric, and the fourth mode is the maximum drive. So now let's look at the toy. Oh, you see our guest here. Message for Axel. I'll do a review of him. Not very so soon, cause I'm okay. I'll start that later. Okay, it's in a somewhat silver paint. It's partly silver paint. It has a nice chrome, a nice shiny chrome. It has some red, some metallic red. I think the basic black. And the plate, which actually is a plastic, very flexible plastic. So it's like kind of, it resembles like a gun. What it's called, a handgun? No. Okay, it resembles like it's a combination of a gun and a blade and sword. And okay, it comes with its memory engine memory. See, it's engine here. It has 5 lights. I'm blind you. Is okay. The special about this memory is that it's one of the only memories, or this is the only memory that is like a deluxe one, but it has lights and it's not transparent. Yes, it's the only like memory which is like solid color. Yeah. And also look at the sticker in the background. It still says only engine. It says here steam, jet, electric here, and here, and here. That's cool. So okay, let's try it. Yes, I'm very strong. I'm fairly strong, like Seronos. Okay, let's try it. Oh, nice. Okay, so you charge it like this. Insert the memory. Stop the camera. Insert the memory. And the lights down here. To close it, you press this button. Push it. And now, let's hear the sounds. Steam. And the lights come out here. Jetto. Electric. And the fourth one is nice. So this is this toy is awesome. I just put it to release it. Yeah, engine. Yeah. So shut up. So now let's try the memory in the double driver. engine and axle. Nice, but I barely heard the engine. Wow, there's something funny. This memory is very noisy. This memory is very silent. It's very quiet. Yeah. Engine. The axle. So what's up? There's an engine metal. Yeah, let's try with that. Yes, all the legs, right? Nice. Engine heat, yeah. Wait a minute. Okay, I'm an idiot. Oh no. Wait. Yeah. Oh. I know it's a silver tip, and this is a silver tip too. Wait a minute. Joker engine. Okay, wait a minute. I don't know what's wrong with me. I put it backwards. Whatever. No, okay. I put the engine here instead. Whatever. I don't know what's wrong with me. Yes, trigger. Yeah. So, any more combinations? No. I have some more gold tips. Yeah. That's enough. Okay, so you have an axle and you get the axle driver. This is a must. Yeah. So yeah. Oh, I don't know. No, yes, you must have the the engine blade. It's very cool. And besides, it's a completion. Look, just at Edsel. He will be, yeah. He's nothing without his engine blade. I know he can become in the bike, but with his engine blade, he can kick ass. See? So you have the axle driver. You must get the engine blade. I know it's very weird for me that brainwashing people to get the toys, but sorry, but I think that this is a compliment. Not even a compliment, it's something necessary to, because a compliment is something that it's optional for me. Oh, I don't know. Whatever. Okay, so that's all. Comments, subscriptions, and thumbs ups are optional. And I'll be back with the review of this guy. So, up again, the breeder set. There you go. Bye. 何もかも振り切って来へ進め Speed away 誰にも追いつけないほどに